All right, video walkthrough of a third floor 2-bedroom in Lower Alston. This is one of the bedrooms. You got lots of sunlight. All right, this is hardwood floors, by the way. Baseboard heating. All right. Pretty good location if you need to get into Cambridge. All right, so we have a closet right here. Decent sized closet. All right. Yeah, good size, actually. Yeah. And there is laundry in the basement. All right, into the foyer. It's the front entrance. Let's zip right over into the kitchen. Before we enter the kitchen, we do have this small little area for setting up storage, maybe some counter space. And then we have the kitchen. All right, plenty of cabinets up top, sink, a fridge, good sized fridge. It's open range gas stove. One little thing that I just discovered, there's a dishwasher. Big plus. All right, and actually that's for my tops. Decent amount of space. A decent amount of space. All right, into the living room. All right, so hardwood floors, as you can see. All right, and bathroom right over here. Sink, toilet, and vanity. Standing shower tub combo. All right, window right there, and windows over here as well. It's a beautiful day outside there in Boston. Second bedroom. All right, good size, decent size. I know that the closets here run a bit small in the second bedroom, as you can see. Not too much, but for a no broker fee 2-bed with a 25-minute walk to Harvard Square, not bad. If you need any more information, feel free to reach out, angel@lmcrealtyboston.com. Hope you enjoyed the video tour. Happy hunting.